lil-One. Lil-One.
Just scarfing that stuff down.
Hi, lil-One. He's been gone 24 days today. But we got him back now, huh, buddy? Been an adventure, huh? I was so worried. He's lost a little bit of weight, but not too much. He was hiding under someone's house. Yes, and we had to trap him, huh, baby? But he's home now, and he went straight to the kitty bowl to eat. Yes. Our little fang man, huh? Oh, buddy, there he is. Oh.
My little one.
lil-One.
You've had some crazy adventure in your life.
Yes, you have. You're not the little one anymore, huh? You're a big boy.
Oh,
Just jump away. Oh, buddy, yes, that's your girl, huh? Yes. Okay, bye-bye.